Hi, good morning. This is Jennifer from NPAD. Welcome to our machine workshop. Today, I'm going to introduce to you this bread packing machine. It is a flexible machine. It could pack the bread and sandwich. There is a nitrogen scales in here. And this whole set of machine is made of the 304 stainless steel. It's very easy for the worker to wash the machine with the water or alcohol after they are finished the daily production. Just one or two workers could operate the whole set of the machine. The machine is controlled by the touch screen and these simple buttons could operate the whole set of the machine. You could change the bed length and speed on the touch screen directly. This one is the day printer to print the production code and day code on the packing field directly. Just need to change the code. The packing field is installed here. This one is the packing field running system. You will use the rose packing fields to go through this bed former from the bed. This one is the screws for the operate the bed former. You could adjust these screws to make the bed in 80 mm to 150 mm. You could turn this screw to change the bed former. More width, more narrow. This is the bread feeding platform. The worker just needs to put the bread on the conveyor. The sensor will identify the bread and send a signal to the machine. The bread is coming. Before the machine output the bread packing, there is a device to fill the nitrogen gas into the bed, so the bread could keep fresh and safe for a while. If you have any question on this machine, feel free to contact me. Our engineer and I will be here to support you. Bye!